From basics to pro we go, mastering tools row by row. Digital age we unfold with orange, sepia and gold. Click, click.
Welcome to my programming class. We are going to be dealing with HTML. Now, I want you to understand that with HTML, you can create your own website. With HTML, you can create your own website. This lesson is going to teach you everything about HTML. Now, HTML is easy to learn, and I promise you that you are going to enjoy it. What is HTML? HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. So we are going to be seeing how we are going to do that today. HTML stands for hypertext markup language, okay? Hypertext markup language. HTML describes the structure of web pages using markup. HTML describes the structure of web pages. HTML elements are the building block for HTML pages. So HTML help in building web pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. Okay, HTML elements are represented by tags, and I'm going to be showing that in a moment. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. Now, this thing now will be sounding to you like, what is he talking about? What is he talking about? Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. In the next slide, you are going to see and understand what I am talking about. All right. Now, look at what I mean now. Now, the doc type HTML. Now, when you type the doc type HTML, this one will declare or define the document to be what? HTML. So when you say doc type HTML, you are talking about a HTML files, and then the system will understand what you are about to declare. HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. Don't worry, okay? Just follow me. You are going to understand this as we progress. Now, the head element contains meta information about the document in a short period of time, and you will understand it with me. Now, the title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. Now, for instance, now if I say H1, if I type less than H1 greater than, now this element is defining the large heading, how you want the heading to be big, Now, P element define a paragraph. Let's proceed. Our practical. We're now on practical. That's great. We are on practical programming now. We are on practical. Now, step to locate your notepad on your system. Yeah, notepad on your system. Open your text edit. Let's say notepad here. So you go to start. You can go to you know how to open a profile now. You know how to open application. So you can go to file. Just go to your search there and type notepad. This notepad. So you type notepad. Click on the notepad and then allow it to open. Okay, this is my notepad now. Please watch very careful as I'm going to be doing this. Now, here now, you are going to, type this thing. Step 1, open text. Your step 1 is open text edit. That is notepad. I'm using notepad. You can also use VLC. But let me use notepad so that whatever system you are using, you should be able to have a notepad on it. Okay, so you open your notepad and type this. Yeah, you saw what I typed now. This thing that you are seeing here is what I'm going to be typing here. When you type, you comment, press enter, then open your less than, and then type HTML. HTML, that is to identify that what you are using is HTML. All right, press enter and then you type in less than body and greater than, enter, then you type in less than h1. H1 will define how big the text will be. Okay, greater than. All right, now you now type I want Flexma to teach me HTML. Okay, HTML. You close it with greater than, and then now let's just stop here. And I don't want to bore you so much. You come in and then close it with your body, less than body, and then you close it again with this slash HTML and then close it. I believe you are seeing what I'm doing. I believe so. You are seeing what I'm doing. Now, what then? After you have typed this thing that you are seeing on the screen now, all right, pause the video here and take the formula very well. Now, after you have typed this, what next? This is the next step, steps 3. You are going to save the file. You are going to save the file. How do you save the file? That is the good question. Now, watch as I'm going to save the one I have just typed. Now, watch. This is my own. This is the one I have just prepared. This is the one I prepared for my own. So, how am I going to save it? Now, I will go to File. Remember, I will go to File. I will go to Save As. Now, I want you to be understanding what I am doing. Now, watch this. I told you to save this file, you are going to File on your computer, select File, select Save As in the Notepad menu, which I've shown you now. Now, name the file to be index.html. Now, how do we do that? Now, watch. You come here, index.html. All right. Now, your file type can be all right. Now, the file name is index.html. I don't know whether you are seeing this, whether it's visible to you. I don't know, but if it's not visible to you, please remember to pause the video. So your file type will now be all file. You go to the browser folder, encode in UTF, and then you click on save. So what next? Is already on UTF, it's already on save. So instead of putting it in document, just put it in all files. All right, put it in all files. Then you locate that place you want to save it. Document. Oh yeah, I'm going to save this now on document. Yes, let me put it on document. I'm going to save it on document, and then I'll click on save. Now let's locate the verify now from document folder. Go to document. I go to, what did I use to save that file? Index. I will locate index. Now this is my index. Let's open the index. Flexman to teach me HTML. So that is just all we are going to be doing today. Today we just succeeded in writing our first heading. When we come, we will learn how you can, color this body. You can learn a lot of things in our next class. So today we only succeed in learning how to create our heading. Take this as an assignment from me, okay? Yeah, submit this assignment to me. I'm going to be dropping where you're going to submit the assignment to. So what is domain name? What is server? Explain the relationship between server and domain name. What is the full meaning of www? Explain all you know about URL and what it does. Okay? See you in my next class. Bye for now.
Digital age we unfold with orange, sepia and gold. Click, click, learn and grow. Step by step skill will show. Your future bright, future bold. With orange, sepia and gold. Seize the day, make it count. In the tech world, no